Fish curry Chennai style. This was a highly requested video from my friends and neighbors in Kolkata. They really love this. So here's the recipe for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Morgan from Flavoursome Feast, and through this channel I share simple and easy recipes for everyone, especially for beginners and people with time constraint. I would love to have you all on board with me, so I request you to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And so now let's get cooking. So guys, what do you think about this recipe? Please comment below, and if there is any specific recipe you would like, you can just let me know. I would love to bring that up for you. So that's it for today. Have fun, enjoy, and stay blessed. Take care. Bye.
you.